What's up, guys? This is Joe Mayman, and today I'm gonna be reacting to the SMG4 video. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. Alright, well, let's see what's gonna happen. Glitch Productions, SMG4. Oh, there's Mario's house.
La la la.
Just eating spaghetti, okay.
It was a lots of fun. Hey, I'm a thirsty.
Craving some milk, huh?
Oh no!
No milk left. Oh, nothing.
No more milky.
Nope, no more.
I now know what I have to do.
Point. Why does he sound like some kind of army general, though? Grocery store. Oh, there's Codsworth. Okay, he's parking, but inside. Okay. Nice sounds. Okay. What? Why did he do that?
Oh, howdy there, Mario.
But he can actually talk. Oh, show me. I need some milk.
Oh, the milk section's right over there.
One left. Yippee! One left. It's Mario's lucky day. Toad? What happened to his mustache? What's going on here? Milk fire. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, right, that was pretty whack. I mean, wow. How'd that happen? Oh my god! Why are they choosing violence with guns? It's DK.
How you doing?
He threw them out. Great, where's Mario going to get milk now? You? What about me? Toadette is going to kill me if I don't return with some milk.
Give me my goddamn milk!
Oh! Oh my gosh! Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's Luigi. Oh, there's a Pepsi machine.
Go Luigi.
Oh, Moo Moo Milk. What's about to happen? Oh no, looks like he's got a tail. He's stepping on the gas.
No, you don't.
Rope for sale?
I am lonely.
Oh man, he's getting on. Toad, hold still and hold on. What's going on? Oh no, he's at a red light. I bet he's like, turn green already! What is going on? Oh, he's got the truck. Oh no, he's giving it full throttle. Ooh.
Hey, baby.
Oh! Oh no, he can't see and it's making him spin out. No, the milk! Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no, my milk!
Stinky.
Hey
Do you have
Luigi,
any?
got milk?
No.
No, it's all gone now. What am I going to do? I just got this job. They're going to fire me for sure. It's okay, Luigi. Mario has a plan that'll make this all better.
Mama.
What is that?
Just walk into any store.
Why
avoid
don't we
security
go
cameras,
to that
and start
factory
taking
and
pictures.
take some? What? Didn't you hear me? I just got a job there delivering milk. Wait, that's actually not a bad idea. Oh, looks like they're about to do some burglary. I have a plan. Moo Moo Milk. Okay. Well, there's the factory. Okay. Okay, Mario, so you know what to do, right? Yup, Mario is robbing them, right? No, you're not robbing them. You're going to go in there and as the new milkman and ask for a crate of milk. So, no guns? Nope, no guns. Man, come on, an ad at this time? Okay, that actually was kind of satisfying to watch. So that's all the milk from the farms, and that's how it gets made and put in bottles. Milk!
Mario's winner just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy.
Oh, the alarm! Oh my god! Walking milk cartons with guns? Oh my god!
There goes Mario's phone.
Mario!
Oh no! What's all this ruckus? Who's that? Jeeves, it's me, Mario. I'm here to do some milk to deliver. Ah, well, of course, no milkman of mine will be left out.
Whoa! Yippee! Wow!
Oh no! They were found. Boss, we found these guys spying outside. Oh no, cover blown. Milk thieves, capture them! Quick, you gotta get away. Oh no, that one's got a spear. Oh, knockout. Okay. What? Oh, packaging machine. Oh, man, he got turned into a bot. Oh my. Oh no. Stay back or this baby milk gets it. They aren't falling for it, I think. Oh my god. Oh, no. He's running on the backwards conveyor belt? Oh, the P-switch. Oh no, they're speeding up. Yeah. Ouch. Oh no. Oh no. He's angry. Oh. What is going on? Time to show you youngsters what discipline is. Oh no. Minecraft Steve at a farm? Didn't think I'd see him. Oh, it's a whole pasture of cows. Oh, there's a Minecraft one, jeez. You have till midnight. Oh no. They only have till nightfall?
Why?
Screw that guy. I'm getting some milk and leaving.
Wow!
But Toad, you heard Jeeves. What's he gonna do? Fork us to death? Thanks for the milk, Steve. What? He's got a assault rifle? I mean a shotgun? I don't know. Back away from the milk. Oh, so you can't just do it like that. Looks like we're gonna have to get milk the normal way. Hey Bessie, Luigi the farmer is here. Aw, aren't you just the cutest little cow? A cow? What?
Oh yeah, Luigi. Hello.
Hello, I'd like to order 1 glass of milk, please. Not how it works, Mario.
Hey, Stinky.
What? Oh. Did it just throw up spaghetti? This cow can create spaghetti? I am not worthy.
I'm gonna milk you so hard.
The cows have police? Take your time, Bessie. You did 1 drop of milk. That's great. Oh, I don't want to make you feel pressured. Hours later. They're on a date? Ready yet, Bessie? Oh man, I haven't gotten much milk. The other guys probably have me covered.
It's the real
Mario!
Praise Jesus!
Okay. They arrested Toad? Don't have any milk? Alright, time's up. Oh no. I better see a full tank of milk. Oh no, Jeeves is back.
Hey.
Is this some sort of joke? Oh no. Oh no, he caught him. It's time for my signature spanking. Oh no.
Luigi.
Oh hell no.
What is going on?
Say what?
Huh? First you milk us to death and now you hurt people that show us love? We cows have had enough. Oh no. They're about to get back. They have guns? Some assistance, please? Oh no, the moving milk cartons. Oh, no. Looks like it's a little bit of a milk warfare. What's Steve doing? Really had to pull up the guitar? That one's got an assault rifle? Oh, a Gatling cannon, what? Oh, multi-kill. Oh my god, but that was on a tank? Hey bro, I don't know if this is a good time, but did you use my toothbrush yesterday? Get to the car, we're getting out of here. Okay, you freed Toad. Toad, where are you going? Oh, I didn't come all this way here not to get milk. Oh no, it's Jeeves.
Oh shit. Kids gone died in the train.
Alright, he's out of here. Bessie?
Okay, bye-bye.
Man, that's actually kind of sad.
War never changes.
My, that place is a mess. Oh, man. Who knew getting milk for them would be so hard? Who knew? Man, now I know how farmers feel now. Okay.
Alrighty.
So, who's up for some yummy milk? Oh no, I bet they don't want to hear that word again now because of that. Oh no. Well guys, that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to react to next. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up button, and then you'll be the first to know what I'm gonna do, hopefully. So, see you guys in the next one. This is Jermaine, signing out. See you guys later. Bye, guys.